they just take you away in the middle of the night when the more decent thing to do was diba, to expel you like during business hours. What do they want? They just want you to go with you? They just want them to sumama ka na lang and they will do what they want with you? Tama ba yan? Don't people have rights in this country? Don't understand. I really don't understand. So,
Jason, do you have follow-up?
Okay na ako, Sir Jace. Thank you po.
Any other from the OVP? Dempsey, Inquirer?
Jace,
Do you have
ma'am, good morning.